In this video, I want to show how a renewal process works in CitizenServe. So to run a renewal when it's that time of the year, we'll run a report. And what the report's going to do is it's going to take all the licenses that meet a certain criteria that we've predetermined and compile each license data into a printable letter for the batch. And so you only have to run the report once a year. And so for this example, we're running a liquor license renewal expiring 2018. And first I want to run it as a preview, so I'm going to leave this box checked and just make sure that I have the results that I'm expecting. So if I run this report, it's going to go find all the liquor licenses that are expiring in 2018 that have a status of issued, has a zero balance, or whatever the criteria that we want for this report. In this case, in this test example, we have one result. If we had 500, 5,000, we would then be able to print off a batch report where each page is a separate renewal notice that we print out, fold, and mail out. So this is one example of the renewal template. If I am okay with that test or preview option, I can uncheck preview and then run this renewal. I'm going to get a prompt here saying running this report will add the renewal fees to the liquor license. Yes, I'm sure. Okay. And then now it ran the renewals, no longer a test run, and we can go and take a look at this license and see all the updates that this report did. So we would print out that report and send it. So I'm going to go take a look at this liquor license. And on this license screen now, I can see the renewal notice sent on today's date. And then also at the bottom, we'll see last year's fees, so 17 to 18, and then the new annual fee at 1925. So the balance due is 1925 because we had two payments from the last year's renewal process. So that is a running total of the fees, the fiscal years, and then the payments. So we'll see when they paid the next payment, we'll see a new payment date down here and a zero balance. So this is now ready to be renewed. Also, there's a copy of the renewal notice that we did in the mass merge. So we can pull up this one copy and verify that it went to the right person. So that would happen on any that it finds in the report. In addition to the letter template, we have email batch notices. So we can do the same type of batch report, but for the emails instead of printing and mailing. So this one says no results found. So there are no 2019 expiration dates. Let's try 2018. And we found one. So this report's finding all liquor licenses that have a valid email. And if they have a valid email on file, then we will send them an email. If they don't, then we'll send them a letter. And that's the difference between an email batch and a letter batch. And that is our overview of our renewal notice process.